Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from PowerTac. Now this here is their PathFinder. Comes in this nice rugged case. Now they sent this to me to review. Nice handle on there as well. And this is waterproof as well. Let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's in. Nice foam egg crate material here on the top. So notice to let you know to remove the protection piece there on the battery. They give you a couple stickers. Lifetime warranty on all their products, which is a huge plus. Here's the user manual. So now we're going to go ahead and show you the specs here. And as you can see right there, 12,000 lumens on the highest output. Now this is a multicolored LED flashlight, and we'll go over that later as well. Telling you to read the instructions, of course. Comes with one O-ring. And here's the holster. Now this is a double stitched material, and the whole area on the back is sewn to it, so that's good. Nice. You can quick release that as well. Good quality holster. It is padded and does have a lining on the inside, elastic on the side. You get one wall charger here. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at the light. There it is. Now right as I take this out of the box, this knurling is very rough. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at the tail end of the light. You've got a USB output where you can charge your cell phone on the go. Great for emergencies. There's the charging port to charge the battery. Here's the battery level indicator. Let you know you got a full battery on there. 12,000 lumens is a lot of light. Two switch design. As you can see here, there are holes, and they go all the way through this area of the head. Allows for better dissipation of heat, so that's a big plus. Again, very aggressive knurling on here. Steel bezel. Definitely interesting on that. You can kind of see through the table on the other side through some of the holes there. Nice size light. It is on the bigger side. Feels good in the hand. Now the style and design on this is very nice. Not seeing any issues. Not really aggressive on the bezel, but nice stainless steel. Machining and finish on this is very nice. You're definitely not going to let this slip out of your hand with this knurling. Probably one of the more aggressive ones I've felt. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take this apart. And I'll show you the plastic piece that you have to remove. Right here. There's the contacts on the battery. And let's take a look here at the contacts on the head. Now there is some grease on the threads and the O-ring. Now we're going to go ahead and put this back together. Alright, now that we got that back together, now let's go ahead and take a look here at the textured reflectors. Now this is running 3 Cree XHP 70 LEDs. And these other ones here are the colored LEDs on the very outer edge. Try to get a good close-up of that. Alright, so now let's go ahead and go through the UI. The UI is pretty straightforward. We're going to go ahead and turn on the light here, bottom switch. You've got the red LED, pretty intense on that. Then the top button, you're just going to go through those colors. You got green, you got blue, you've got red and blue strobe. You have red again. Pretty intense on that. So now when you want to go through with the white LEDs, we're going to go ahead and turn that on here, top button. Now with the white LEDs, you're going to use the bottom button to go through those light outputs. You have SOS. That is on the full light output. Man. Click it again on that bottom switch, and that is strobe, and that is constant on the speed of the flash. Then you click it one more time and you're back to the regular UI. Now this is all in line, as you can see there. And you're back down to the lowest light output there. As you can see, one click of the top button there turns off the light. Impressive light output on this, and build quality as well. Feels really rugged. So let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the PowerTac PathFinder. Let's go ahead and get started on the color LEDs, see how it does. There's the red LED, 65 feet to that tree from where I'm standing, so that's pretty impressive. 35 feet to the water spout. There's the beam on the fence. Not a perfectly shaped beam, but good enough. Show it over here. Now we'll go to the next color, green. That is making 138 feet. That's impressive. So if you are a hunter or specialize in some type of specialized lighting for your needs in the dark, you got a few options here. There's the blue LED. Still making that distance of 138 feet. Probably have about 150 feet or a little more in range. I go back to the red LED. We have the strobe, of course, and the red LED makes it there as well. All right, let's go ahead and get started on the white LED. See how it does. Again, 35 feet to that water spout, 65 feet to that tree there. More on the floody side there. Does have a little thrill. And on the slowest light output, it's making 138 feet there. Bugs are going nuts. All right, let's go to the next level here on the Tree of Life. Wow. A lot of light pulling out of this. Definitely more on the floody side. If not, pretty much all flood. Making it across the park to those playgrounds. That looks good. Let's go to the next level. Highest output. Wow. That is a lot of illumination. Air quality has been really bad last few days. Had a break for a while, but 238 feet to that tree behind the Tree of Life. And this thing's got some really good run times as well. Faintly making the palm trees. Before and after here. We're going to end it here on the Tree of Life. Impressive. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Thing did very well. I like the fact that you have the color LEDs. So if you're a hunter, those are going to come in handy as well. Now the run times on the higher outputs on this is very nice, and I believe it's because of the holes that are actually in the head area of the light. Not too much heat sinking here, but still does very well. As far as build quality, performance, I was impressed with it. With the no worry lifetime warranty, you really can't go wrong with this light. So now let's go ahead and take a look at it in the holster. Now this is a big light, so if you're going to carry this on you, better have a good strong belt. that's what that looks like in the holster. Big light on the heavy side, but that's going to be a good quality holster. Also, the aggressive knurling on here really makes this ideal for taking it outdoors. Now, with the holes in the head of the light like this, it is waterproof still, so that's impressive as well. Power bank feature is always nice to have. You can always see what your battery level is as well, even before turning on the light. Now, this is great too as well, power bank feature for emergencies. You can charge your cell phone or other device. Now, I want to thank PowerTac for sending me this to review. Now, if this is something you are interested in getting, I will leave a link down in the description to their direct website, including a special discount code, 30% off. That'll help you save some money on this, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from PowerTac to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.